JotForm Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the JotForm Affiliate Program Review. If you're looking for a versatile form builder and are interested in earning commissions by promoting it, make sure to check the affiliate program link in the description below. Let's jump right in. JotForm is an intuitive, no-code form builder used by businesses, educators, and entrepreneurs worldwide to create online forms, surveys, quizzes, and even payment collection forms. With its drag-and-drop interface, users can design custom forms without any coding experience. From contact forms to event registrations to lead generation, JotForm allows you to create forms for just about any need, making it a highly flexible tool. The platform also supports integrations with popular apps like PayPal, Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Salesforce, which enhances its usability and effectiveness. The JotForm Affiliate Program is a great opportunity for marketers to monetize their content. Affiliates can earn up to 30% recurring commissions for every new customer referred to JotForm. This is ideal because you get paid for as long as your referred users keep their JotForm subscription. The more users you refer, the more you can earn consistently. JotForm provides a generous affiliate cookie window, up to 120 days, meaning if someone clicks on your referral link but makes a purchase later, you'll still earn a commission. JotForm offers several pricing tiers, from a free plan to paid plans, designed for users with higher volume form submissions and advanced features. This makes it suitable for users ranging from individuals and small businesses to large enterprises with more complex form building needs. As an affiliate, you'll have access to real-time tracking tools, including detailed performance metrics, so you can easily track your commissions, clicks, and conversions. JotForm also supplies creative assets, such as banners and referral links, to help you promote the program effectively. What sets JotForm apart from other form builders is its ease of use, customizability, and affordable pricing. It's a fantastic solution for anyone looking to collect data online, and with its robust integrations and enterprise-level features, JotForm's appeal stretches across multiple industries. In conclusion, the JotForm Affiliate Program is an excellent opportunity for anyone in the digital marketing, web development, or business services niche. With great commissions, a versatile product, and an easy-to-use platform, it's an affiliate program worth considering. If you're ready to get started, make sure to check the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.